Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown! Today, we're comparing two fantastic countertop ice makers, the DUMOS and the Sweetcrispy. Both of these machines are designed for efficiency and portability, making them perfect for home use, RVs, or camping trips. The DUMOS can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in just 24 hours, while the Sweetcrispy matches that with a daily output of 26 pounds. They both create 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, ensuring you have ice ready for your drinks in no time. Let's explore their features and see which one stands out. When it comes to pricing, the DUMOS Ice Maker is priced at $69, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Sweetcrispy, which retails for $79. This difference of $10 might seem small, but for those looking for value, the DUMOS offers a compelling choice without compromising on features. Next, let's look at the water tank capacity. The DUMOS Ice Maker features a 1.5-liter water tank, which allows for less frequent refilling compared to the Sweetcrispy's 1.2-liter tank. This larger capacity can be a significant advantage for those who plan to use the ice maker frequently, as it minimizes interruptions during use. Finally, let's discuss portability. The DUMOS Ice Maker comes with a convenient carry handle, making it easier to transport for outdoor events or trips. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy lacks a dedicated handle, which might make it less convenient for those who prioritize mobility. This feature could be a deciding factor for users who plan to move their ice maker around frequently. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy ice makers offer excellent features for producing ice quickly and efficiently. The DUMOS stands out with its lower price, larger water tank, and added portability features, while the Sweetcrispy appeals with its sleek design. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen or outdoor setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.